Another kitchen staple we're making today is some homemade pasta. We have 2 cups of flour. Make a crater in the center of the flour, and we're going to add 3 eggs into the center. Add a drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt. Cover with plastic wrap and we'll let it rest on the counter at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Once the dough is done resting, split it up into more manageable pieces. I split it up into 4 sections. Using a rolling pin, start rolling out each piece. Make sure to get it super thin so you can almost see your hand through it. Dust the piece of dough with extra flour and then fold it accordion style. Once folded, it should look something like this. Then using a sharp knife, make cuts. If you want really thin pasta like spaghetti, make them thinner. If you want thicker fettuccine style, the cut's a little bit thicker. If you're done cutting your pasta, unfold it and stretch them out. You can now store your fresh pasta in either the fridge or the freezer for later use or cook right away. But be careful because fresh pasta cooks much quicker. Make sure to save this video and follow along for more recipes at juliesapron.com.